How to make gunpowder when the world is dead, the nights are long, and something is growling outside your shelter. The cities? Silent. Gas stations? Empty. Your flashlight batteries died last week, and now it's just you, the dark, and the feeling that something out there is counting your heartbeats. You need firepower. You need noise. You need gunpowder. Start with charcoal, the real kind, not the barbecue briquettes from Uncle Bob's cookout. Those are soaked in chemicals that'll kill you before the raiders do. Smash it down to powder. Next, find saltpeter, potassium nitrate. Could be from old fertilizer, could be scraped from cave walls like you're mining 15th century warfare. Either way, it's dusty, it's gross, and you'll be coughing for a week. Add sulfur. Maybe you find it in abandoned fireworks. Maybe you dig it from a stinking yellow crust near a hot spring. Just don't lick it. Grind it all together. Not too hard, unless you want your how-to to end in a crater.
The mix burns fast because the nitrite feeds oxygen to the carbon and sulfur. Instant bang. If it fizzes, you did it wrong. If it booms, congratulations. You just built a little piece of civilization from dirt and danger. But did you know